5/16" staples at about 80 psi. Seems to be working pretty well. My other manual stapler was not penetrating this really hard plywood. But this is not having any problem at all. It's really nice. It came with an assortment of these narrow crown staples from 1/4 inch progressively longer all the way up to 9/16. Some instructions that are okay. An Allen wrench taking off the top in case you need to free up the cylinder that goes up and down, or the front plate in case there's a staple jammed in there. Came with a little bit of few drops of oil to put in here. You probably get 2 or 3 or 4. It's just a couple, but each time you use it, probably 3 or 4 to get started the first time, right in there. And it worked quite well.